QNT at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after losing significant key areas of support, and on today's update video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of support that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, and above all give you my long-term perspective of the chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made back in June 2022, where we made our bear market lows, and we started an impulsive bounce to the upside, where we first picked impulsively in a 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the 229 USDT, and that 5-wave structure to the upside also completed the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. And having picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the chart using that red target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the lows that we made back in 2022 to the highs above the 229. And you can see that my red target area lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that was between the 134.3 and the 80.2, an area that we fully maximized. And at some point we saw a break of the fib level 0.78, and we continued pushing lower to the fib level 0.88, and that is above the 62.4, an area that we also fully maximized. And you can see that we almost found support over there in a breakdown move that gave us a low below the 50 USDT. And from those lows, we started another impulse to the upside in what I have been saying in my previous videos, that could be the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the bear market lows to the highs above the 229, then dragging the fibs to the lows we made below the 50 USDT, and on so doing we get a minimum target area for these wave 3 on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 356.6, an area that we can easily maximize as long as we continue holding above key areas of support and we continue pushing higher. And once we have a high in the formation of these wave 3, then I will expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of these Elliott wave count 5 in a move that should give us new all-time highs. So that is my long-term perspective of the chart, as long as we continue holding above key areas of support in the next coming days. And since there are high chances that from the lows we made on the 4th of November, whatever is playing out is the start of an impulse in the formation of these wave 3, and because of the impulsive nature in the formation of those wave 3s, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure within the formation of that wave 3. And at the time, there are chances that we have not picked impulsively in a wave 1. Whatever we are seeing at the moment is a second wave, and as long as we continue holding above key areas of support, there's a chance that we can easily bounce in the formation of these wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that Elliott wave count 5. And to identify the significant key areas that we need to pay attention to in the formation of these wave 2, we can connect the fibs from the lows we made down there to the highs above the 172 USDT, and on so doing I come up with a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and a maximum of the fib level 0.88. That is the last line of support that we need to see QNT holding, and that means that our target area lies between the 113.7 and the 69.2 USDT. And as long as we continue holding within that area, there's a chance that QNT can easily give us a bounce in the next coming days, starting another impulse to the upside in the formation of these wave 3. And you can also see that we have seen a breakdown move into this minimum target area, and we have almost fully maximized the area. So that means that there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of that wave 2, and a wave 3 is now imminent. But if by any chance we continue seeing higher marks on the BTC dominance, and maybe we also get another breakdown move on the BTC chart, there's a chance that at some point this yellow target area over here might give us a break to the lower side. And if that happens, then we need to have a worst case scenario to expect on the QNT chart. And the worst case scenario is that we are going to continue breaking down and get a reset of the lows we made on the 4th of November below the 55.7, and also get a reset of the lows we made on the 50 USDT. And if by any chance we lose 50 USDT, then that will be a clear indication that this whole Elliott wave structure that I have on the chart has now been invalidated, and a more bearish case scenario is playing out, where we can easily get a reset of the lows we made below the 40 USDT. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting QNT to follow for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.